Do and make collocations with examples. Do the laundry. Meaning, to wash clothes. I did the laundry yesterday. She does the laundry on Sundays. Do the shopping. Meaning, to buy groceries or necessary household items. I need to do the shopping today. He does the shopping every week. Do the cleaning. Meaning, to clean the house or a place. She did the cleaning this morning. I will do the cleaning later. Do your hair. Meaning, to style or arrange your hair. She did her hair before the party. I need to do my hair. Do your nails. Meaning, to paint, clean, or take care of your nails. I need to do my nails before the party. I'm doing my nails right now. Do your job. Meaning, to perform your work or responsibility properly. Just do your job. He did his job well. Do your duty. Meaning, to fulfill your responsibility. You must do your duty. Everyone must do their duty. Do a favor. Meaning, to help someone. Can you do me a favor? He did me a big favor. Do a course. Meaning, to study or complete a course. He is doing a course in marketing. She did a cooking course. Do something wrong. Meaning, to behave badly or make a mistake. I didn't do anything wrong. He did something wrong at school. Do nothing. Meaning, to not act or not do anything. He did nothing to help. She did nothing all day. Do overtime, meaning to work extra hours. I did overtime yesterday. She often does overtime. Do your part, meaning to do your share of the work or responsibility to help achieve something. We all need to do our part. She did her part to help the team. Do a presentation, meaning to give a presentation in front of others. She did a presentation at work. I have to do a presentation tomorrow. Do harm, meaning to cause damage, injury, or negative effects. Smoking can do harm to your lungs. That decision may do harm to the company. Make a call, meaning to phone someone. I need to make a call. She made a call to her boss. Make a choice, meaning to choose between options. He made the right choice. You must make a choice now. Make a difference, meaning to have an important positive effect or impact. Your help can make a difference. Even small actions can make a big difference. Make an excuse, meaning to give a reason to avoid blame. Don't make excuses. He made an excuse for being late. Make a suggestion, meaning to offer an idea or advice. Can I make a suggestion? She made a helpful suggestion. Make an appointment, meaning to arrange a specific date and time to meet or visit someone. I have made a doctor's appointment for tomorrow. She made an appointment online. Make a complaint, meaning to formally express dissatisfaction about something. He made a complaint about the service. She made a complaint to the manager. Make a list. Meaning, to write items in order. Let's make a list of tasks. She made a shopping list. Make a speech. Meaning, to give a formal talk in front of people. I made a speech at the event. I was nervous before making a speech. Make a change. Meaning, to modify or improve something. I need to make a change. She made a big change in her life. Make a mess. Meaning, to create disorder or leave things untidy. He made a mess while cooking. The kids made a mess. Make a wish. Meaning, to express a hope or desire for something. He closed his eyes and made a wish. I made a wish on my birthday. Make an improvement. Meaning, to make something better. We made an improvement to the design. Have you made any improvements in your English?